I am really happy with this chair. Definitely an upgrade from what I've been using. Very comfortable and also very well constructed, sturdy. I can tell it will last me a long time. The cup holder fits my Swell bottle perfectly and it swivels out of the way when not in use. Package arrived very quickly in the mail, too. Thanks. I love this camping chair. When I ordered this chair, I was supposed to use it on the beach. But I find it has many uses. No matter in the park when we have barbecue or at home when we have a party. It's easy to carry with carry bag. This chair can be folded into smaller size than opening for easy storage. I feel comfortable to sit with its high back and wide seat. It is the best quality chair I have ever seen, very comfortable. I can take it to fishing, barbecue. I like it very much. When I ordered this Timber Ridge folding chair, I had visions of it sitting on a riverbank and I'd be fishing. When it came, I saw it was much too classy for that and would be using it for soccer games instead. It comes with hard padded armrests and a foam padded seat that makes the chair quite comfortable. The seat itself is heavy-duty polyester. It is very durable as the frame is made of extremely heavy-duty steel. The frame claims to support 300 pounds. It also includes a swivel cup holder on side of the chair to hold your drink. Hot or cold, the chair can be folded easily and slipped into the carrying bag that is included. The bag has a handle large enough that you can slip over your shoulder for easy carrying. I must mention the feet are plastic and swivel, so no worries with uneven ground. I have been looking for good quality outdoor chair. This is exactly what I wanted. I have bought $10 camp chair from Walmart before and this is much better. It is a lot bigger and heavier than I expected, but it is of great quality. There is a cup holder on the side too. This chair was securely packed in a sturdy box. It arrived 2 days since I have Prime. Once I opened the box, it was wrapped in a protective plastic bag. The company seemed to make sure that the product was PROT-coed during shipping. The chair itself comes with a carry-on bag with a shoulder strap. I tried it out and I read in some reviews that it was heavy. I didn't find it to be that heavy, since it is a heavy-duty chair. The chair itself folds out nicely and with a cup holder that you can store under the chair. Once I sat in the chair, I liked the padded armrests. It was a nice change from the thin strip arms rests I had on my old chair. I found it to be fairly comfortable also. Thanks for a nice product. Click link in description for more reviews.